Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up on Fisch. So you are just going to enchant one of your rods. I did that on my Kraken rod. So I enchanted it with the clever one. And you're just going to fish for a long time to level up your level on Fisch. Shake, shake, shake. I think last week oh my god. I think last week there was like an XP booster on the game. Like the admins gave us like extra XP so that we could level up quicker. But if you want to level up quicker, just add the clever enchantment to your fishing rod and then play a lot, and then hopefully you'll be able to earn more XPs. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can earn more XPs in the game Fisch. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.